Okay, exercise 820 says, in a pharmacological experiment on eating behavior in rats, 18 rats are to be randomly allocated to 3 treatment groups, treatment 1, treatment 2, and treatment 3. While under observation, the animals will be kept in individual cages in a rack. Okay, the rack has 3 tiers, and each tier with 6 cages per tier. Okay, in spite of efforts to keep the lighting uniform, the lighting conditions vary somewhat from one tier to another. The bottom tier is the darkest, and the experimenter is concerned about this because lighting is thought to influence eating behavior in rats. The following 3 plans are proposed for allocating the rats to positions in the rack. Okay, so plan 1, randomly allocate the 18 rats to the 18 positions in the rack. Okay. Plan 2, put all treatment 1 rats on the first tier, treatment 2 rats on the second, and treatment 3 rats on the third. In plan 3, on each tier put 2 treatment 1 rats, 2 treatment 2 rats, and 2 treatment 3 rats. Put these plans in order from best to worst. Okay, so in this case, the best is going to be plan 3. Okay, in the middle is plan 1, and then the worst is plan 2. Okay, and so in plan 3, we get treatment 1, we get 2 of treatment 1, 2 of treatment 2, and 2 of treatment 3. Okay, and so these rats have been randomly assigned, but on each tier, 2 of each treatment. Okay, and so this forces all three treatments. Treatment 1 is going to have 2 on tier 3, 2 on the bottom tier, 2 on the middle tier, and 2 on the top tier. Okay, and then the second treatment will also have 2 on the bottom, 2 on the middle, 2 on the top, and that's that completely randomized blocking helps account for the differences in lighting. Plan 1 is okay, but you might end up with a whole bunch of rats on tier 1 and a whole on the bottom tier, treatment 1 on the bottom, and you might end up with treatment 3 on the top tier, something like that, and that's going to mix up some of the results. And plan 2 is the absolute worst, because then all of the treatment 1 rats will be on the first tier, and then so the results, if you see a difference between treatment 1 and treatment 3, you won't know if it's because of the treatments or if it's because of the tiers, because all of the treatment 1 rats were on the first tier and all of the treatment 3 rats were on the top tier, and so you won't know the difference between that, so those would be confounded.